Biko, bitter leaf slander will not be tolerated here. But if you've slandered bitter leaf, it's fine if you're here because this recipe is going to change your mind. It is authentic and simple. So just stay with me. This is cocoyam, and I have a video on how to prepare this. So I just put that on fire. I put some bitter leaf on fire, and for this bitter leaf soup, I use just goat meat and dry fish. So in a pot, I put in the goat meat, the washed goat meat, some seasoning, some salt, and Cameroon pepper. I stirred that up and I let it steam. So after it had steamed for some time, I put in some water and I covered the pot. So this is the bitter leaf that was on fire. We just sieved it after it had boiled for 20 minutes and washed it off to get off the bitter taste. Into the pot, I put in some dry fish and I put in the cocoyam, and immediately I put in oil. Now, it's very essential that you put in oil immediately on top of the cocoyam so that it helps it dissolve and boil together. And it is also important that you put your bitter leaf just on top of the oil so that the bitter leaf will be very soft and very tasty when you're eating it. So after the bitter leaf goes in the crayfish, the ogiri, I actually forgot to put in some Scotch bonnet earlier, so I just put everything on top and I did not cover the pot. You make sure you don't cover the pot. So once everything is in the pot, you just let everything cook together until you see that the bitter leaf is like inside the soup, as you can see on the screen. And then I put in some more crayfish, tasted for seasoning, adjusted everything, and the soup is ready. This is very, very easy. It's also important to use stockfish for this soup as it helps with the taste, but I did not have that. I also have another bitter leaf video which I think is more detailed than this, and I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen. This was very, very tasty, and let me know if you're going to try this or if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and like this video.